All right, switching gears now and time to talk weather. And the temperatures are warming up this week, but that also comes with the possibility of some storms. So let's bring in meteorologist Kristin Emery, who's working from home, for our local forecast. Hey, Kristin.
Hi, David. And everybody's been wanting, well, not everyone, but most people have wanted a little bit warmer weather as we end May, start June. Our normal highs are in the mid 70s, and we were only in the lower 60s at times over the weekend. So today, we're getting a little bit of a trade-off, the warm weather, but again, that will come at a little bit of a price because starting tomorrow and in through the rest of the week, the weather pattern becomes more unsettled with that warm air. So it's 69 degrees already in Pittsburgh, Butler, Washington 68. We're already all the way up to 74 in Morgantown, 70 in Greensburg, Newcastle. The sun is out, bright sunshine, all the way up to 72. So the skies are starting to clear a bit. Those showers that we had early this morning have now pretty much moved east of our area, east of State College, Altoona, Bedford. There's just a little sprinkle or two left into southern portions of Fayette County. The cloud cover is sticking around in spots, but as we saw, Newcastle, some areas up to the north already getting a few peaks of sunshine, and that cloud cover will slowly erode from north to south through the afternoon. The reason that we're getting the big warm up, there's a warm front that's pushing in that warm, moist air from the southwest. So through the afternoon, you'll notice the temperature rises, and it'll also feel a little bit more muggy as we get a little higher humidity levels. But by later on this afternoon, we should be right near that 80-degree mark in many areas. Futurecast takes the clouds out of here. We'll still see some cloud cover mixing with sun, not that completely clear blue sky that we like, but much brighter than what we've had through the early morning. So partly sunny this afternoon, and then by tomorrow morning, we're still looking at a mixture of clouds and sunshine. We could see an early morning shower. If the clouds stick around tomorrow morning, that would actually be a good sign because as a cold front drops down from the northwest tomorrow afternoon, the more sunshine we get, the warmer the atmosphere, the more unstable things are. Those two air masses clashing could set the stage for some strong storms. If things stay cloudy and overcast, we'll have less of a chance for some strong storms. Futurecast right now is bringing a chance of those storms mainly after 3 o'clock tomorrow. And this model run wants to push it south of I-70, but we'll still keep the chance of a strong line of storms pushing through here after 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Biggest threats would be hail and damaging winds. We're in a slight risk for severe storms tomorrow. After that, Thursday, Friday, scattered showers, a thunderstorm, but we stay warm. So 81 today. Looks brighter this afternoon and drier. 68 tonight, partly cloudy skies. And here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, warm, 84, but then we'll see those afternoon storms. We stay in the 80s all the way till Sunday. Chance of storms Thursday, Friday, but the weekend, David, looks pretty nice and sunny.